Cartonplast is the market leader in reusable plastic layer pads. Our pool system, proven worldwide, provides safe and cost-effective handling, transport and storage of glass, metal and plastic containers. Plastic layer pads made from polypropylene are the hardware of our pool system. The range includes a solid plastic, a sandwich plastic and a corrugated plastic layer pad with sealed edges. The layer pad enables the complete automation of production processes. Packaging at its best starts here. After every run, the used layer pads are carefully checked. A sophisticated sorting process ensures that each layer pad is thoroughly inspected for reusability. Rejected layer pads are then 100% recycled. All plastic layer pads undergo a thorough cleaning process for a reliable end product that is physically and chemically immaculate. The microbiologically germ-resistant surface structure of the layer pads ensures hygienic, food-safe conditions. The Cartonplast controlled cleaning process sets clear standards. The result? Effective, verifiable cleaning. Our certified cleaning results conform to all relevant standards for the food supply chain. A database established over decades provides the basis for the unique Cartonplast cleaning process. Following the intensive cleaning process, each individual layer pad is subjected to a meticulous final inspection. The plastic layer pads are then stacked hygienically on pallets, all ready for the next shipment. The closed-loop reusable system works on the basis of precise stock management procedure. Every single layer pad is registered, ensuring reliable planning and quick access to stock. Of course, the close proximity to Cartonplast service centres pays off in this regard. At the glassworks, the bottles are palleted with the plastic layer pads for safe transport. Cutting-edge transport packaging. Cartonplast layer pads ensure a hygienic shipping process from the container manufacturer straight to the filler. This is packaging at its best, pallet for pallet. Reliable, reusable, recyclable. The Cartonplast pool system, proven worldwide. Present worldwide. Cartonplast, packaging at its best.